Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi Jennifer, and in today's video, as you can see, we're going to be making frijoles puercos. In order to make frijoles puercos, you have to have the frijoles. You have to start with your beans. In a medium-large pot, I add water about 3/4 of the way. Add in my washed pinto beans. I'm also adding in a guajillo chile, a pasillo chile, 1/4 of an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, and salt. I will cover it with the lid, let it boil for about 10 minutes, and then cook down on low for 3 hours until the beans are soft. Once the beans are done cooking in our large pan, I will be adding the chorizo, cooking it about halfway through, then adding it to the outer edges of the pan. After the chorizo is in there and around, I added the bacon. The bacon I cut into smaller slices. I used about 5 or 6 bacon slices. I will let those cook halfway through as I did with the chorizo. I'm using my food processor to add the beans and some of the bean broth to blend it. I could use the bean smasher, but I don't want the chorizo or the bacon to be smushed, and I want it to be a little bit easier as I'm cooking a lot of food. I will be stirring around the bacon and the chorizo together to add about 4 or 5 hot dog weenies. Once they are cooked, I'm going to be mixing it around in the pan and adding in half a white onion and 1 jalapeno. You can see the translucent color will take over the onion. Also, the jalapeno peppers will become a lighter color. That means that they are being cooked. All of the fat from the bacon and the beautiful color of the chorizo are being absorbed into the onion and jalapeno, as well as the bacon and weenies, hot dog weenies. Once that is cooked beautifully, I am adding the beans that I blended into the pot. I will also be adding about 2 cups of the bean broth because it will make it easier to move the beans around and keep them moist. Hydrated. You will want to stir the beans all around to make sure that you get the beautiful orange-red color throughout the beans. I'm adding about 1/3 of a cup of the bean broth to make sure I am keeping the beans hydrated, and I keep stirring it around, and at this time I have the stove on medium heat. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, you can let me know by hitting that subscribe button or the like button. You can always subscribe to my emails through my website where you can get the recipe right the moment that I publish them. I'm adding salt and pepper. And having a little bit of the beans to make sure that they are going in the right direction. I'm adding now the juice from the pickled jalapenos, and I did not measure this, so this is to your own liking. Keep stirring up the beans and making sure that they are hydrated. Once this is done, I'm mixing in some cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese? Yes, mozzarella cheese, and some of the 3 cheese blend that I had. So you can use whatever type of cheese you want or have available. I would definitely recommend using Oaxaca cheese. That is just so delicious. Mix it all around, and I grabbed a tiny little bowl to give my husband Santos a taste. Just to make sure that he approves. I always have him taste my food, and he always gives me a thumbs up. Once you taste the beans after they are done, you will definitely see that they are worth the effort you are putting in to make them.